Okay. Good day, friends. Welcome to Chuang Math class. Still on our topic, fractions. Today we are going to look at additions of fractions. So in adding fractions, there are two cases. So the first case is adding like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions are fractions with common denominator. You can see we have 10 here, we have a common 10, we have also 5 and 5 here. So these are like fractions. So in adding this type of fraction, all you have to do is just create your division bar. Okay, now 3 plus 2, add the numerator, 3 plus 2. Okay, now just write 10. Why? Because the LCM of this and this is the same, 10. Okay, so 3 plus 2, this will give us 5 all over 10. Please don't leave your answer if you can simplify fraction. If you can simplify this fraction, please simplify it. So 5 can enter 5, 1. 5 can go into 10 2 times. So we have solved this. Example 2. So the same thing, 1 plus 3 all divided by 5. Okay, 1 plus 3, this is 4 over 5. And we are done. This is at its lowest term already. Now the second case is adding unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Unlike fractions are fractions with different denominator. Just like this. This is 3 and this is 5. You see, this is 16. This is 8 and this is 16. So in adding this type of fraction, you need to find the LCM, lowest common multiple. So we find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. Okay, so the lowest number that can enter one of these is 3. So 3 here can enter 1. 3 can go into 5, but we remainder. If it has remainder, please bring down the 5 the way it is. Okay, so here 5, we have 1 already. So 5 into 5 will enter 1 time. So your LCM is 3 times 5. Okay, which will give us 15. 3 times 5, which is 15. So after finding the LCM, draw your division bar, or write your division bar. So here you write the LCM. So you say 3 into 15 is 5 times. That is 15 divided by 3 is 5. So the 5 times 2, which will give us 10, plus 5 will go into 15 how many times? 5 will go into 15 3 times. That is 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay, so the 3 that we've gotten times 1, this will give us 3. So add 10 plus 3, this is 13, all divided by 15. So this 13 over 15 here, we can no longer simplify it because it is at this lowest term already. Okay, so here we also do the same. We'll look for the LCM. Here is 8, here is 16. So 2 can go into 8 4 times. 2 can go into 16 8 times. 2 also here is 2 times. 2 here is 4. Okay, 2 here is 1. 2 into 4 is 2. If we were finding the highest common factor, right, we'll have stopped here. Okay, and multiply 2 times 2 times 2 to have 8. Go. But this is LCM, so we must continue to the list. So here is 1, and 2 into 2 here is 1. Okay, so the LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 is the LCM. So the 16 that we've gotten, okay, you write it here. So 8 into 16 is 2 times. So 2 times 3, this is 6. Okay, let me do it again. I say 8 into 16 is 2 times, right? So the 2 times 3, this is 6, will give us 6. Plus 16 into 16 is 1 time. So 1 times 1 is 1. So our answer is 7 divided by 16. Okay, and this is a proper fraction already. Okay. Another method we can use to solve all of this problem is called the butterfly method. In solving using the butterfly method, you start multiplying this 1 times 10. Please make sure it is a trick, so you have to follow the principle. Okay, so you start this way. Make sure you are starting this way. Okay, so 1 times 10, this will give us 10. okay, then plus 4 times 3, and this will give us 12. So 1 times 10, 1 times 10 we have 10, 4 times 3, this will give us 12. Then here, to get the denominator, you multiply both the denominator. So you say 4 times 10, this will give us 40. So let's add 10 plus 12, this will give us 22, all divided by 40. I think we can simplify this one. 2 can go into 22 11 times. 2 can go into 40, right? 20 times. So that is it. Okay. Now here, we also do the same thing. 1 times 5, this will give us 5. Then plus 2 times 4, this will give us 8. Okay. Now all divided by 2 times 5, this will give us 10. Okay. So here, 5 plus 8, this will give us 13. Okay. Then all divided by 10. This is an improper fraction. So when you have an improper fraction, when you are solving, it's better you change it to a mixed number. Okay. So how do we do that? We say 13 divided by 10, it is 1. Then remainder 3. So the 3, you write it here as the numerator, then all over 10. So this is 1 whole number, 3 over 10. Let me do it again. I say 13 divided by 10, it is 1, right? It's going to enter 1 time, remainder 3. So the 1, you write it here, the remainder you write it as the numerator, all divided by the denominator. Thank you. Please, if you find this helpful, do well to like, follow, share, and comment. Thank you, and God bless you.